What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daring Motors. Today we're working on a Chevy Impala here. We're gonna talk about what's going on with it. So let's dive in and see what's going on with this Chevy right here. So we're here in the car, and what we got is a nice fun noise. We turn the key on, go to use the air conditioning to turn on recirculation. And now that it's there, we're gonna turn it off. And we're going to hear a nice, wonderful noise. So if you hear that clicking is the air actuator for your fresh air. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace that actuator, get it fixed up, and make sure it's working correctly. Alright, so to get to this actuator, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here, we're going to open up the glove box. Going to take out anything that's in there so it'll be out of the way. And then what you're going to want to do is there's two tabs you can see right there and right over there. We're going to press them in so we can drop the glove box down more. I'll just kind of let everything fall out. So if you look closely, right there is the actuator we're looking after. So that is turning and it just keeps on clicking. So that's what we're going to be replacing today. So on the actuator there's two bolts holding it in. And they're pretty difficult to see. But there's one right up in front, and there's also one down below on the back. And they're 5.5 millimeters. And there's also a plug-in that will disconnect. So if we take a look at the new actuator, we can see where those bolts are going to be. So one is right here on the top next to the connector. The other one's right here on the top as well. So we got this one out. Now we're going to get this one out. Once we pull it out, we can unplug it, and I'll show you that. Alright, so we got both of these screws loosened. We had one here. We got both of those. Now we're going to reach back here. We're going to grab this motor, slide it off. And try and slide it out of there. Like that. And as you can see, we have the connector right here. So we're just going to pull up on this little clip and pull it out. And there we go, we got that unplugged. Alright, so the new one's in there. Now we're just going to get these two screws put back in, and then we'll test it out. Alright guys, well the new one's in there. Now we're going to test it out and see what it is. And if you're wondering what I use to do all this, I just use this little 5.5 mil gear wrench swivel socket. And with it, I was able to get enough that I could just spin it by hand the whole way. If you're looking for a set like this, I'll leave one in the description below, so go ahead and check those out. Alright guys, so we're back in the car. We're going to test this out again. We're going to turn it to on. I'm going to set this to recirc. And you can watch. In there, you'll actually see it move. So we press that. for fresh air, you'll see it move. And then if we go to recirculation, we can see it move again. So now I'm going to turn the key off. See it move. And no clicking. No more clicking. And there we have it. So, we got this done. We got the old one out, the new one put back in. Alright guys, as well as replacing that actuator, we're also going to be replacing the cabin filter. This one's in a very weird location, so I'm going to show you that right now. So if you look, there's one little pin you have to get on here on the cowl. You pull this weather stripping back, and then you're gonna lift this piece up. We're gonna pull this up, and then this little piece right here is gonna pop out. Now if you look in there, you'll see there's the filter. So we're gonna pull that out, put a new one in that's right here nice and clean, and get it done. So if you look at this side-by-side comparison, you can tell that this filter here has seen a lot better days. So we're gonna swap that out for this and have some nice fresh air. Okay, so now we got the old one here, and we're gonna put this new one in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lift up this cowl, we're gonna slide it right in here. So after a lot, we got that put in. There's a nice new one. We're gonna take this piece back in. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, there's these clips in there. One, and you gotta get all those hooked, and then it's back in. So now we're gonna take this cowl piece, push that back down, take this pin, make sure we can get this push that down, push that in, now that's in. Slide this weather stripping. And there we go. Cabin filter's replaced. Now we can take the old one and just toss it. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and hit that like button. And go ahead and consider subscribing. I'm trying to put out videos again. It's been a while, and thank you for watching.